Hello and welcome to our lesson on street photography. In this video, we'll be covering 3 key chapters to help you master the art of capturing life on the streets. In Chapter 1, we'll explore the history and development of street photography, from the early pioneers to modern-day practitioners. In Chapter 2 we'll focus on how to approach strangers for portraits, an essential skill for anyone looking to capture the human experience in public spaces. And in Chapter 3, we'll share tips for shooting in busy environments, so you can make the most of your time on the streets. Chapter 1, the history and development of street photography. Street photography is a genre that has been around since the very beginnings of photography, with early practitioners like Eugene Auger and Henri Cartier-Bresson capturing life on the streets in the early 20th century. As photography technology has evolved, so has street photography, with the introduction of smaller cameras making it easier than ever to capture candid moments in public. One key characteristic of street photography is the focus on capturing everyday life, whether it's the hustle and bustle of a busy city street or the quiet moments of reflection in a park. It's about capturing the human experience in public spaces and presenting it in a way that is both visually engaging and thought-provoking. Chapter 2, How to Approach Strangers for Portraits. Approaching strangers for portraits can be intimidating, but it's an essential skill for any street photographer looking to capture the essence of the human experience. The key is to be respectful and honest, explaining who you are and why you want to take their picture. One approach is to simply ask for permission, explaining that you're a photographer and would love to capture their portrait. Be prepared to answer questions about what you plan to do with the image, and always respect their wishes if they decline. Another approach is to strike up a conversation with someone and let the photo opportunity arise naturally. It's important to remember that not everyone will be comfortable having their picture taken, and that's okay. Always respect people's privacy and be willing to walk away if someone is not interested. With practice and patience, you'll become more comfortable approaching strangers and capturing their portraits in a way that is both respectful and engaging. Chapter 3, How to Shoot in Busy Environments. Photo shooting in busy environments can be both exciting and challenging. It's important to be aware of your surroundings and keep an eye out for interesting moments that might present themselves. One key technique is to find a good vantage point and observe the scene, looking for interesting patterns, gestures, and expressions that might make for a compelling photo. Another key technique is to use a fast shutter speed and a wide aperture to freeze motion and blur the background, creating a sense of energy and movement. It's also important to be patient and wait for the right moment, rather than trying to capture everything at once. Finally, always be respectful of people's space and privacy. Avoid invading personal space or being too aggressive with your camera. It's about capturing life on the streets in a way that is both engaging and respectful to the people around you. And that concludes our lesson on street photography. Remember, street photography is about capturing the human experience in public spaces, and it requires a combination of technical skill, patience, and respect for the people around you. With practice and perseverance, you will develop your own unique style and approach to this exciting genre of photography. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!